So today, let's cook some spare ribs barbecue. So look at this beautiful spare ribs. I got it from Walmart for $13. Look how huge the slice of these spare ribs is. And yes, you heard me right earlier. This is just only cost $13.30. So imagine if you will buy spare ribs barbecue outside, it will cost you more than $100. And my sauce is just only around $10. It is really worth it to cook at your own home, at your own kitchen. Then you can customize the food on your own taste buds. You can get the flavor that you want, and of course in a cheaper price. It's time consuming, yes, but at the end it's all worth it. Is it soft?
Mommy?
Yes. So this barbecue turned out to be soft and juicy, and if you want the recipe, I will write it down at the description box of this video. So please don't forget to leave your comment. So any comment that you have, if you want me to improve the recipe, if you want to share your own recipe, then I will be glad to read your own recipe or your comment. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Have a great day, everyone.